I am a first-year beekeeper and I'm about to harvest my first honey. I'm going to share with you how I harvested my first honey without purchasing a bunch of expensive equipment. These are honey gates. I ordered them online. A pack of 2 was less than $9. It's going to allow me to control the flow of the honey as I fill jars. It's much less expensive to install your own honey gates on a food grade bucket and a food grade tub than to purchase them already done. You will need a hole saw drill bit. This is a 1 3/4 inch hole saw drill bit. I ordered this tub, it's food grade, online. It was very inexpensive. And I picked up this food grade 5-gallon bucket from the blue or the orange store. I want to position the honey gate as low on the bucket as possible while still being able to turn this interior piece. So I lined up the interior piece with the bottom of the bucket and then just pulled it up just a little bit, marked a hole right in the middle of the circle. Because my bucket is white, I was able to see the hole on the outside and go ahead and mark it there also. When I was watching videos on this, it did say to change the drill setting from high to low. This drill bit has a normal drill bit that's going to start the hole and keep it in place. And then the saw bit will drill the bigger hole. And I'm gonna start really slow.
Jesus.
Yep, the drill bit just broke off. This was a Milwaukee's Best drill bit. And now my problem becomes getting that piece of drill bit out of the tub. And so I'm just going to put the drill directly on it and put it in reverse. This is so annoying. So now we head to the store to return the broken drill bit and go to a different store and get a different brand. I'm now using a Craftsman hole saw drill bit. Again, we're going to start really slow and we're going to keep our fingers crossed.
Jesus.
I'm not gonna lie, this was a little more difficult than I thought it would be.
Huh.
I watched a video and they mentioned running the drill on reverse. So I'm gonna try that for the tub because the bucket was kind of difficult and left a not so great hole. So I'm gonna run it in reverse really slowly on this tub, which is in fact a thicker material than the bucket.
Okay, that's so much better.
I'm just going to clean up the holes on both of the containers with some sandpaper. And now we're going to install the honey gate. It's pretty easy to do. It's just 2 pieces, just screw them together. It is important to get a really nice tight seal. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how I got the honey out of the frames and then into the jars. Hit follow to make sure you don't miss the next part.